Narinig ka, gusto picture ha?
Tapos ah. Go.
Excuse me, I need to interrupt. What if I suggest that we continue this little powwow inside? Hi. Remember me?
Okay na sila, babe. We just got scared.
I always liked her.
One of you. Which one?
Wow, ang tako lang ng isa.
Told me your father knew I was arriving here today. And I'm here to tell you, the man I just saw in the elevator had absolutely no idea he and I were on the same planet.
Wait.
Let alone in the same hotel.
Bubbles is still hungry.
Yes, I did. Oh, the man went completely out. Should like I was the bloody ghost of Christmas past. Can one of you get something cold for my hair? I mean,
Pangit ang towel.
what it was going to be like to see your father.
Matakaw yung babae, babe.
Well, let me tell you,
That's
me
good.
breathing
Lala ko
like
siya
I'm
mamaya.
in this idiot while Nick Parker's wrapped around another woman's arms is not exactly the scenario I have.
Good job. Go.
Sorry.
Oo na yun, parang si Bubbles, kumain na rin marami.
What are you doing?
Then for this matter, do you mind?
No, that's perfectly perfect for fun.
Gusto niya yun.
Grabe, nakipag-compete talaga din, no?
Try natin yung worms.
Jesse, this
Gusto nila yung steak yung kinakain eh.
How do you do? I'm her butler.
Pakita ko din.
Hmm?
Pakita ko.
Jackie, the pleasure's all mine, Miss here.
Girls, you were going to tell me why you lied and brought me
She
here
was
without
just
telling your
hungry.
father.
Were they?
Ayaw niya.
Okay, that's good. Well then I'm just going to check out the old Nimoy situation. Allow me to assist you.
Wait. Just
Kasi
Yeah.
gusto nila yung ano, yung
Galit lang si Bubbles kanina
Kasi
kasi
totoo.
he was hungry.
Daddy's getting married. To Cruella de Vil.
Kukunin mo yun.
She's all wrong for him, Mom. And the only way he won't marry
Tanong mo na kayo tawa niya bago...
she knows you better.
Gutom nga.
Mhm.
Sobrang gutom.
Babe, nagkakalat lang. Mamaya punasan na lang natin mamaya.
you're not trying to set me up with your
Tingnan
father.
mo, nasa bunga nga niya pa isa, oh.
We are. You're perfect for each other.
Kailangan natin yung crosses na.
You two knew about this?
Bago na.
What? Oh, no! No!
Pasabi ko si Kuya.
Yes.
Why would you go inside, ha? You go inside. Hello.
Babe, nananakot ka na. Okay na sila.
Babe, kunin mo yun.
Let me say this loud and
Hindi ako kunin yan.
Nick Parker and I have absolutely nothing in common. Anymore.
Oh!
Personally,
Lain na eh.
I've noticed he seems
Papaya
to
mo,
be
hindi mo.
leggy, tight-skirted, bare-backed fiancé. And I want the two of you to explain to your father that I am here for one purpose and one purpose.